Firewalls are crucial components of network security, and they serve several important purposes in protecting computer systems and networks from unauthorized access, cyber threats, and malicious activities. Here are some key reasons why we use firewalls. Access control. Firewalls act as a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external networks, such as the Internet. They control and monitor incoming and outgoing network traffic, based on an organization's pre-established security rules. This helps prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data and resources. Security policy enforcement. Firewalls enforce security policies defined by an organization. These policies dictate what types of traffic are allowed or blocked, based on factors like source and destination IP addresses, port numbers, and protocols. By adhering to these policies, firewalls help maintain a secure network environment. Protection against cyber threats. Firewalls are a frontline defense against various cyber threats, including viruses, malware, ransomware, and other types of malicious software. They can inspect network traffic for suspicious patterns and block or quarantine harmful content, thus preventing these threats from entering the network. Network address translation. Firewalls often incorporate NAT functionality, which helps hide the internal network structure by translating private IP addresses to a single public IP address. This adds an extra layer of security by obfuscating internal network details from external entities. Logging and auditing. Firewalls keep logs of network traffic and security events, providing administrators with valuable information for monitoring and auditing purposes. Analysis of these logs helps identify potential security incidents, track user activity, and ensure compliance with security policies. Intrusion detection and prevention. Many modern firewalls include intrusion detection and prevention systems to detect and block suspicious activities or known attack patterns. This enhances the firewall's ability to proactively defend against evolving cyber threats. Virtual private network support. Firewalls often support VPNs, allowing secure communication over the Internet. VPNs encrypt data traffic between remote users or branch offices and the central network, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of transmitted information. Bandwidth management. Firewalls can be configured to prioritize or limit specific types of traffic, optimizing network performance and ensuring that critical applications receive the necessary bandwidth. This helps prevent network congestion and improves overall efficiency. In summary, firewalls are essential for safeguarding networks and data from unauthorized access and cyber threats. They play a crucial role in enforcing security policies, monitoring network activity, and mitigating potential risks to maintain a secure and functional computing environment.